Hi guys, you might be wondering where One-Eyed is, and he is like off to school. And remember he said he always wanted a sister, so I made him one. And she might be a little shy. I think she's just gonna whisper things in my ear for today's video. And I'm gonna bring her up here. And her name is Miss One-Eyed because she's a girl. And she looks like One-Eyed. So this is her. And wait, what? Oh, so you have things for us that we can make today for One-Eye's birthday? What? Oh, you do. Okay. I'll open you up. See what's in. What's in your box? It's really weird that your box isn't opening from the top, but it's from the side. 3 blank pieces of paper, scissors, I think crayons and markers because there's some in here, a circular thing, whatever that is, and a marker, a black marker. I'm going to pull you back up. So, well, usually One-Eye doesn't like real cakes. He likes paper plates. Paper cakes. So I think we'll draw a cake on here. Maybe I should outline it with this, and then I'll color it in. How about let's do like a rectangle almost, but bottom is opened. Just kind of square. Then I'll do like frosting. Oh, and he's turning like 6. So I'll just draw a candle of him. Oh, not a candle of him, but a candle that looks like a 6. Then some fire from the candle. Then, now let's start coloring it in. I don't think we're using this circular thing now. I don't even know what it's for. So, yeah. Let's do the frosting first. Because we'll leave the cake vanilla. And how about let's do hot pink? I really like hot pink. Wait, what's that? Oh, she said she likes hot pink because it's like purple and pink mixed up together. That's what she thinks. So, I'm gonna color this frosting in. I'm really bored without One-Eye because usually he likes to talk with me a lot. I'm really sad that he's away. And I will come back when I am all done coloring this frosting cake. Oh, I almost forgot to say that it's One-Eye's birthday, so it's One-Eye's birthday! And this time I will really come back when I'm all done coloring it. Okay, so once you're all done coloring it, you want to cut the cake. And you want to leave a little flap on the bottom. And you'll see why when I'm all done cutting this. Cut. I'm not gonna actually cut 6 on the line because it can fall off. If you heard that, my neighbors are screaming outside. But I always have to be outside screaming all day. Okay. So, you want to leave a little flap. I kind of made a big one. And then you want to fold it up so it would stand up. Wrong way. Other way. This paper is not good. It's been rolled up. I have to roll it the other way. Yep, this paper has been rolled up, I can tell. Then it's kind of big, so it won't hold up all the way. I'm going to fold it a little more. Okay, if yours is like this, glue a couple sticks so it can hold up. I will come back when I'm all done doing that. Well, that stick thing did not work. So I made another paper cake. And make sure you make it out of like cardboard, but still like paper, but cardboard at the same time. Then it'll stand up more better. And then you can tape it on a paper plate or something like that. But I don't have it. I'll just hold it up when One-Eyed comes. And the next thing that we will be making are party hats. And then One-Eyed will come back and we'll hang we'll hang some lights. So I think I know what the circle thing is now for. I think this is for like making the party hats. What this thing maybe. And you'll need 2 sheets of paper. But if you have lots of people who want party hats, just get those amount of papers who want that party hat. Who want a party hat. Who wants a party hat. That's what I meant to say. And then you want your crayons again. And your scissors again. And your marker again. And then let's get you back in shape. I think she wanted to tell something to me. What is it? Say that one more time. Oh. She said what we should do first. And I think she said take the circular thing because I didn't know what to do with it. And take 1 sheet of paper. And then you want to trace the circular thing on it. You want to trace the circular thing on the paper. It moved. There you go. I think we have to make another one. I will come back when I drew the other circle and and then you're going to want to cut these out. I will come back when that is finished. Okay, now that your 2 circles are cut out you can color it your own way, add dots or stripes. I think I'll add stripes because I really like stripes, and I'll add dots for my party hat and One-Eyed without the striped party hat. I'll use purple and blue. I don't have a blue marker, so I'll use a blue crayon. maybe I'll do stripes going down like this. That's pretty cool. Watch what we'll do at the end. Now I'll do mine. Just do dots all over the place. Then, hot pink. God always used the hot pink. I never really colored in a long time because I didn't know what to draw. So, now I'm drawing this. Now that you've colored all of your circles, I'm going to clean up this mess. Put this, zip it up. And then, where are my scissors? Oh yeah, put them back. Whatever that was in there. Then you want to cut, you know what? You want to mark a little dot in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle. Try not to do it anywhere else. Then you want to cut it to that. You want to cut it to that dot. Like that. So like it's a straight line. Make sure it's straight. Try make it straight as best as you can. Then you want to take it and then you want to like fold it like this. So it becomes into a party hat. With a comb cheek. Then you want to tape it, and I'll do it to this other one. I will come back when this is all taped. Yeah. Okay, so once you're all done, once you taped your paper, I actually stapled it because it's easier. I made One Eye bigger because he likes big stuff. Yeah, and I made mine smaller. I don't know why, honestly. But that's just how it turned out. And here is his cake. I'll just hold it up. He'll blow the candle out. And Miss One-Eyed had to leave. And One-Eyed is coming back. But I still have some lights. I'm going to get them right now. And I'm going to hang them up over here. Hopefully they'll... Wait, how am I going to hang them? Oh my God, how am I going to hang them? Am I gonna hang on? I will come back when I figure out how I hang them. I hang my lights, so yeah. Hi guys, everything is set up. Here's another present. There's something in here, and here is Miss One-Eye, and she said that she wants to say something when One-Eye comes back. I set up the lights, and guess what? I hear the bus coming. Oh, it's already here. One-Eye, guess what? We have a surprise for you. And here we go. I can't believe you guys are seeing this. Do you like it, One-Eye?
I do. Wow, what did you make for me?
I made you a sister. You want to talk now? What? I think she does. Come on, say it. Okay. Just say, hi, One-Eyed. I finally have a brother. Just say it.
Hi, One-Eyed. I finally have a brother.
Finally. Finally, you guys are talking along. And one more thing. I made you guys party hats. And Miss One-Eyed, I'll give you mine. And here you go, One-Eyed. And I know that you like stripes a lot, so I made you a stripe party hat. And one more thing, One-Eyed, I gave you this present. Open it up. I'll open it up for you. You always said you wanted a pet. So, here you go. It's your own very hat. Piggy Pet. Well, it's actually a little stuffed animal. It squeezes and... What? The lights out. Here you go. Put on your hat. Did you like this birthday today, One-Eyed?
I did.
I think that's a yes. Especially with that falling down. One more thing. We have to sing the happy birthday song. Starting now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow it out, One-Eyed. Oh, it looks like you're officially 6. How about that, One-Eyed? Did you like it a lot?
Yes, I did.
When it's your birthday again, hopefully that will fall down again. Yep, and I hope you guys liked this video for making One-Eye's birthday and this thing falling down. That was really funny. And I hope you enjoyed making these party hats with me and one more thing. I'm a cat. And bye.